Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set up tax or VAT on product for specific city in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and we are going to set tax or VAT on product for specific city. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in general setting and then you see multiple tabs, so click on tax tab, so click on it. So tax is totally different from shipping delivery charges. So we are in tax tab and then scroll down, you see multiple option, tax option, and then you see additional tax classes. Now you see tax option, price enter with tax. Now select no, I will enter price exclusive of tax, and then you see calculate tax based on customer shipping address. You see multiple option, so select customer shipping address, and then you see shipping tax class, so select shipping tax class based on cart item, and then you see rounding. If you want, you can enable this option, and then you see additional tax class. So we are going to create additional tax class and then add tax class in product, and when we click on save changes, then additional tax class show here on this location. So we are going to add it. Now press enter. So we added name, VAT on specific city, and then you see display price in this shop excluding tax, display price during cart and checkout excluding tax, price display suffix. So we are going to add it. Now click on it. So we already added price including tax colon, and then you see bracket price underscore including underscore tax. So we are going to display product price with include tax also on WooCommerce shop archive pages, and then select display tax total item this, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, and then you see additional class created, VAT on specific city rate, so click on it, and then you see VAT on specific city, tax rate, country code, state code, postcode, city, rate, tax name, priority, compound shipping. So click on insert row. Now you see row edit. If you want, you can add country code. If city name is duplicate, so you can add country code, and if city name is duplicate, more than one city name is same, so you can add state code also. So we are going to add country code US, and then you see United States. Now select, so we select US from drop down. If you want, you can add state code like AK, AL for Arizona, Alabama, Alaska. So we are going to add city name. Now you see question mark, so you can add multiple cities name separated by semicolon. So we are going to add one city name, Baltimore for US, and then you see tax rate 15%. We are going to apply for user or customer from Baltimore. Tax name VAT, priority 1, shipping enable, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to shop page, open any product. Now you see price including tax 33. So our location is not Baltimore US. Now go to edit product, open it. So we are in edit product, and then scroll down. You see product data general, and then you see tax status none. Now select taxable, and then you see tax class. Now click on it. Now select VAT on specific city. So you can add this option on other product also. So it's up to you. And then click on update. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page, and then click on add to cart. Now product added, and then click on view cart. So we are in cart page, and then you see subtotal. So we are going to change address, so click on it. Now select US. Now you see US, so click on it. Now you see Rawalpindi, so you can add city name Baltimore, and then click on update. Now you see VAT show for Baltimore city 4.95, 15% of 33 subtotal. Now change again. Now we change, and then click on update again. Now you don't see any VAT. So VAT display on cart and checkout page both. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.